welcome to Dallas, and more importantly, welcome to Masterminds. You know, it's been a long time since I've been at a family reunion. Is this what it feels like?
I love teaching in all areas of my life, and teaching teachers is another great way to help our movement move forward.
Masterminds has really kind of brought us together as a whole, where we can do networking all throughout the day and kind of get back on track and get that professional development that we need as master teachers.
For me to go back to school with all this knowledge and then help out my teaching partners at school, it really does do a lot for the district.
I walk back to my new school year every year with stuff that those people taught me, and I only get to do that because I'm a master teacher.